in a bar, sipping a jar in Jackson. And on the street, the summer sun it shines. There's many a barroom queen I met in Jackson, but I just don't seem to drink you off my mind. It's the honky-tonk women. They give me the honky-tonk blues. It's the honky-tonk women. Give me the honky-tonk blues. I later did for seeing New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. She had to sling me right across her shoulder. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's the honky-tonk women. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Yeah, it's the honky-tonk women. They give me the honky-tonk blues. Zach Rose.